नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावन नमस्तेस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुषपूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मि सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः सोमसंस्थाः हविस्संस्थाः पाकसंस्थास्तु संस्थिताः धने यतो मनुष्याणां यतेत आतः धनार्जने नदीनदतटाकेषु देवखातजलेषु च नित्यक्रियार्थं स्नायीत गिरिप्रस्रवणेषु च कूपेषु उद्धृततो येन स्नानं कुर्वीत वा भुवि गृहेषु उद्धृततो येन ह्यथवा भुवि असम्भवे शुचिवस्त्रधरस्नातः देवर्षिपितृतर्पणं तेषामेव हि तीर्थेन कुर्वीत सुसमाहितः. In this 11th chapter, from the beginning, Parashara spoke about, or Sagara and Aurva Samvadaha vartate khalo. Tasmat Aurvaha, Aurva Maharishi told Sagara Raja about the actions that a person has to perform from the moment he wakes up. And here we finished with this 27th shloka where he says you have to take a bath, shuchi vastra dharaha, wear good pure clothes, and then do Deva Rishi Pitru Tarpanam. Now the method of doing the tarpanam, or how much of water should be given, is said here. So trivaram apaha prinana trirapaha prinanarthaya devanam apavarjayet rishinancha yathanyayam sakritchapi prajapatehe. If you look at this, I think it follows Brahma Yajnam that they do in the afternoon. The men Brahmanas do this during the afternoon, right? So Devanam Prinanarthaya Rishinam cha Prinanarthaya Trihi Apaha Varjayet Apavarjayet. Apaha Apavarjayet. Apaha here is in Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. So 3 times water has to be given, apavarjayet has to be given for pleasing the devas. Devanam prinana arthaya. Prinanam to please them. For pleasing the devas, we have to give 3 times water. Rishinam cha yathanyayam. For the rishis also, Bhuvam tarpayami, Devam tarpayami, Prajapatim tarpayami அப்படின்லாம் வரும் இந்த பிரம்ம யஜ்ஞம். ஸோ பூர்தேவான் தர்ப்பயாமி, புவர்தேவான் தர்ப்பயாமி, ஸ்வர்தேவான் தர்ப்பயாமி இது ஏவம் த்ரிஹி அபஹ வர்ஜயேத். And then for rishis also பூராதி பதையன பூர் ரிஷீன் தர்ப்பயாமி அப்படி வரும். So this is how you say before you do pour water for them. Sakritchapi prajapatehe. For prajapati you do only once, which is prajapatim tarpayami. That's all. Then pitrunam prinanarthaya tad apaha prithivipate pitamahebhyascha tatha prinayet prapitamahana. Again for the forefathers, Pitrans Tarpayami, for that also you use 3 times Tadapaha or Trirapaha. Both readings are fine here. You do it 3 times for pleasing the Pitras. Pitamahebhyaha. Pitranam is again the father இந்த சித்தப்பா பெரியப்பா எல்லாரும் சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, one of the generation of your father. So that is why it is in plural here. And then pitamahebhyaha, the next generation, prapitamahebhyaha, their fathers, forefathers. So tan sarvanapi prinayet, tebhyaha apaha dattva prinayet. So you give water for them and make them happy with this. Matamahaya, for the mother's father, tatpitre, the mother's father's father, so mother's grandfather, matuhu pita, matuhu prapita, matuhu pitamaha, matuhu prapitamaha. So tatpitre cha samahitaha dadyat paitrena tarphena tirthena kamyam cha anyat shrunushva. This goes to the next section. So matamahaya for the mother's father, and then matuf pitamahaya. So tat pitre. For mother's grandfather and mother's great-grandfather, Paitrena Tirthena Dadyat. Here, Tarjani Mulena Ityuktam Vyakhyane. Tarjani is the Alkati Veralangro. Tarjani is that which threatens. So the forefinger that you use to threaten, that is, you pour water through that. Those who do it every day will understand this, or if there is someone who is doing it at home, you will know the process here that is mentioned here. Matre, pramatre, tanmatre. To your mother, if she is no more, then pramatre, her mother, and tanmatre, great-grandmother. Guru patnyai, for the wife of the guru, tatha nripa. Gurunam matulanam cha snigdhamitraya bhubuje. He bhubuje, nripa. Gurunam Matulanam, for Guru here refers to our own preceptor, teacher. You can give one argyam for the teacher also. Matula, uncles, mothers, brothers. Snigdha Mitraya, one who is a dear friend. You can do that also. When you go to Gaya, Pindam can be given for anybody and everybody. Known, unknown, everything is included there. Atma Pindam api. You can give one for yourself and come back. So, idam chapi japed ambu dadyat atmechaya nripa upakaraya bhutanam krita devadi tarpanam. He nripa ambu atmechaya idam japet ambu dadyat. One has to say the following. That is Devasuras Tatha Yaksha. Starting from here, idam. This has to be said by the person who gives water. Ambu dadyat atmechaya. What is this for? Bhutanam upakaraya krita devadi tarpanam ambu dadyat. Water which pleases the devas, etc. If it pleases the devas, in return the devas are going to be favorable towards the beings in this world. So it is helpful for all of the beings in this world. So bhutanam upakaraya krita devadi tarpanam ambu dadyat. Atmechaya ambu dadyat. So you can give water according to your own wish. Because this is for the benefit of the people in this world. People, not only people, all living beings. Devasuraha tatha yakshaha naga gandharva rakshasaha pishachaha guhyakaha siddhaha kushmandaha pashavaha khagaha tripyantu அப்படின்னு வரும் பின்னாடி. In another 2-3 narakeshu samasteshu ye sthitaha tesham apyayanaya etat salilam diyate ityasti. In the next one, if you look at this, this is where it comes and connects. Okay, so those beings that are there in this world, who are all the beings? Devaha, asuraha, yakshaha, nagaha, serpents, gandharvaha, rakshasaha, pishachaha. Pishacha, Guhyaka is also a class of yakshas. Siddhaha, Siddhapurushaha. Kushmandaha are a kind of a class of beings which are Shivaganaha. Pashavaha, animals. Khagaha, birds. Jalacharaha, that which moves. Jalecharaha, aquatic animals. Bhu Nilayaha, terrestrial animals. Vayu Aharaha, snakes like or reptiles which eat air. Jantavaha, akhilaha jantavaha, triptim etena yantu maddattena ambuna. Oh, inge varakum irukku. Correct. It just connects with this. So, maddattena ambuna etena, by this water which I have given, let them be pleased. Triptim yantu, let them have satisfaction. All of these beings. So, narakeshu samasteshu yatanasu cha samsthitaha tesham apyayanaya etaddiyate salilam maya. Even for those who are in narakam. Samasteshu narakeshu. Yatanasu. Yatana is the different, even in the process of going to Narakam, those who are in that, and Yatana is also Narakam. The different, there are different cells, right, in the Narakam. Different kinds of Narakas are there. So, in all of those places, whoever is there, samsthitaha janaha, jantavaha, tesham apyayanaya, for the sake of satisfying them. Apyayanam nama, they will be suffering from thirst, so this becomes a form of offering to them. So tat maya salilam diyate, etat salilam maya diyate tesham apyayanaya, for the satisfaction of those people who are in different narakas, this water is being given by me. ये बांधव अबांधवाः ये ये अन्यजन्मनि बांधवाः ते तृप्तिम् अखिलायान्तु ये च अस्मत्तोयकांक्षिणः. இதுதான், you know, the way a person does this three அந்த 3 வேளை சந்தியாவந்தனம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதில் அதை வந்து ப்ராப்பராக பண்ணாலே the effect reaches so many people, is what they say. You know, that is what you pray here. Bandhavaha, those who are relatives, those who are not relatives, abandhavaha. Ye ye anya janmani bandhavaha, if they have been my relatives in another janma. Te akhilaha, all of those people, asmattoya kankshinaha, ஒரு பழக்கம் உண்டு, எனக்கு ஒரு எள்ளுந்தண்ணியும் விடம்பா. It's that concept எல்லாம் வந்து it is covered in this, all of that sentiment is covered in this statement. Anybody can give for anybody if you feel that connection with them. So akhilaha asmattoya kankshinaha, those who are expecting, those who want water from us, te triptim yantu, let them attain satisfaction. Yatra kvachana samsthitanam, now you go for people who are not at all connected, it's just strangers here. Yatra kvachana samsthitanam kshut trishna upahata atmanam idam apyayanaya astu maya dattam tilodakam. Maya dattam tila udakam, tilam sesame seeds and udakam water, the water that I give along with the tilam, let this satisfy those people. Idam apyayanaya astu, apyayanam nama pushtikaraya bhavatu iti, and it's also for satisfaction and nurturing. Let this be for them who are standing somewhere, you know, kvachana samsthitanam, they are somewhere or the other, but they are extremely hungry and thirsty. Kshut trishna upahata atmanam. Someone had a very good explanation for this, that is, you can ask a question, how, if I give water here, how is it going to reach there? Abdina. So one very nice person, he gave a nice explanation. He said, we put in our money in this bank in India, let's say, and someone can withdraw from somewhere else also. இது வந்து ஒரு deposit மாதிரி தானே. I can go to any other bank branch and withdraw money from my account. If I put some money here in this HDFC for somebody else, and that person can take it from his account there. So that's how this works. This is like a global account that is going on. Idam apyayanaya astu kshut trishna upahata atmanam kvachana samsthitanam, for people who are standing somewhere, but they are, their minds or their bodies are upahata, they are hurt by kshut, hunger and thirst. தாக்கப்பட்டதுன்னு அர்த்தம். பசியினாலையும் தாகத்தினாலையும் தாக்கப்பட்டவர்கள் எங்கேயோ இருப்பா, அவளுக்காக, அவளுடைய பிரீத்திக்காக கொடுக்கறது. காமியோதக பிரதானம் தே மயா ஏதத் கதிதம் நிருப. திஸ் இஸ் காமியோதகம். காமியம் இதி சேத் கர்த்தவ்யம் து பிரதமம் உக்தம், மாதா பித்ரு பிரபிதாமஹ இத்தியாதிகம். காமியம் कीदृशं भवति इति चेत् तत्र whomever you want to give, that becomes kamyam. Yeah. Pitran, Devan, Rishi, these three becomes the kartavyam, and then kamyam becomes a thing that you want, whomever you want to give, you just include all of them in this prayer. Yeah. Kamyodaka pradhanam te maya etat kathitam nripa. He nripa sagara, Aurva is saying this, Aurva Rishi. I have told you about how to give this Kamya Udakam water. Yaddatva prinayati etant manushyaha sakalam jagat. Manushyaha yaddatva etat sakalam jagat prinayati. Yaddatva, having given this Kamyodakam, Manushyaha, a man, pleases this entire world. Etat sakalam jagat prinayati. Jagat apyayana udbhutam punyam apnoti cha anagha. Hey Anagha, Sagara, who has no fault to himself. Jagat apyayana udbhutam punyam. So the punyam that arises because you have satisfied the entire world here with your water, you will gain that punyam. Punyam apnoti, he will also get a punyam by satisfying the entire world by giving water to each and every person in this manner. Manasala nenikkanum. So if you can't do it with a routine, and if it is just an action, then yes, the action has a little bit of phalan with it. But the mind is much more important. The mind is a more powerful tool. The moment your mind is focused in the action and in the meaning with which you are doing these things, then it gains a greater effect. Yeah? Dattva kamyodakam sam.
Gita Praspustatla, the sloka 33 to 37 அந்த ஸ்லோகத்தை சொல்லிண்டே கொடுக்கணும் நாம போடுறோம்.
ஆமா அப்படிதான் இது வரைக்கும். ஆமா
இது வரைக்கும் அப்படி சொல்லிண்டே பண்ணணும்.
அதான் சொன்னேன், இந்த இடத்துல சொன்னேன் இதம் சாப்பி ஜபேத் அப்படின்னு இருக்கு இல்லையா. ஸோ ஃப்ரம் திஸ் செக்ஷன் யூ ஹாவ் டு சே திஸ் அண்ட் டூ இட். அதுதான் until this 37. ஓகே சரி. दत्त्वा काम्योदकं सम्यक् एतेभ्यः श्रद्धया अन्वितः आचम्य च ततः दद्यात् सूर्याय सलिलाञ्जलिं. Surya gets next preference only. So दत्त्वा काम्य उदकं सम्यक् एतेभ्यः श्रद्धया अन्वितः. श्रद्धया अन्वितः, with great devotion, with great focus and concentration and belief. एतेभ्यः काम्योदकं दत्त्वा, having given this water for everybody, Achamya, he does Achamanam, and Suryaya Salilanjalim Dadyat. He has to give water for Salila Anjali. Anjali na prayer madri dane. So kai kopi jalam vidradhu Suryanuku. Adudha. You have to use both your hands to give water. Whereas for the others, there is only one hand is used. Whereas for Surya, you use both hands. Saying this shloka, Namo Vivasvate Brahman भास्वते विष्णु तेजसे जगत सवित्रे शुचये सवित्रे कर्म साक्षिणे. There are differences in this also. Namo vivasvate, vivaswan, vivaswan is Surya. Brahman, he Brahman iti atra, you are addressing Surya and calling him he Brahman. Calling to the Brahma Swarupam that is behind, or one who is the representation of every karma that is mentioned in the Vedas. So Brahma iti Vedaha api. So Brahma Baswate iti, but there is another Pathantaram as Brahma Baswate as one word here. Brahman is not there and this becomes a single word. Then you take it as Vedeshu yaha Bhaswan Vartate. Vedeshu yaha uchyate iti. So prakashamana, vedaihi prakashamanaya, one who is revealed in the Vedas. So tadrisha Suryaya Vishnu Tejase, who is the Tejas or the Prakasha Swarupam of Vishnu. Vishnu being the inner controller of everything. Surya Narayana Rupena tatra Aditya Mandale Vartate Vishnuhu tasya Tejo Rupena Bahihi Suryaha Vartate. So if you imagine Narayana within the Surya Mandalam, then that Surya outside, the Prakasham that we see, that Tejas is Surya. So Vishnu Tejase. Jagat Savitre, so he is responsible for the creation of this world. Shuchaye, he is the most purest form of light. Savitre, Savitri Devata, one who is the Savita also means one who gives, one who is responsible for the production of everything, the creation of everything. Karma Sakshine iti asti, there is another reading of Karma Dayine. So Karma Sakshi is very easy because Jagadeka Chakshushengra. Yeah? Namas Savitre Jagadeka Chakshushe. One who is the eye for the entire world. He is the Sakshi for any and every action that happens in this world. We cannot escape that. We cannot escape the eye of the world. Right? Nobody saw. Namatra panne. Abdina, there can never be like that. There are some 10 sakshis in this world which are going on. So in that, every action has a witness in the form of Surya here. So namo karma sakshine. Karma dayine iti chet, tatra you take it as karma pravartakaya. One without the sun coming up, we don't find ourselves energetic enough to do any work. So the sun prompts us to work. So karma dayine iti uktva suryaya anjalim dadyat. Tataha griharchanam kuryat abhishta surapujanam jalabhishekaihi pushpaihi cha dhupadyaihi cha nivedanam. Tataha, after that you have to do an archanam to the house, griha archanam kuryat. Abhishta surapujanam, you also do a puja towards the ishta devata here, or ishta devas, any of the devas here. Jala abhishekaihi, with what you use jalam and you do abhishekam to that god. Pushpaihi cha pujayet, surapujanam kuryat. Dhupadyaihi cha nivedanam kuryat. You offer nivedanam or food for the Ishtadevata along with Jala Abhishekam, flowers and Dhupadipadi. Okay? And do this Archana inside the house. Apurvam Agnihotram cha kuryat prak brahmane nripa. Hey nripa, prak first. You have to perform Agnihotram, which is Apurvam, which is something very different. Or apurvam, appurvam ityapi asti. Appurvam iti chet prokshana purvakam. Along with prokshanam, you do this Agnihotram here. First to Brahma. Prajapatim samuddishya dadyat ahutim adarat guhyebhyaha kashyapaya atha tataha anumataye kramat. Prajapatim uddishya, after doing Agnihotram towards Brahma, next Prajapatim uddishya, you give an ahuti within that Agni. Dadyat ahutim adarat, with a great focus, you give ahuti for Prajapati here. Then guhyebhyaha, guhyakaha or guhyebhyaha, kashyapaya, these are all mentioned in the, as you do the action, you will know these things. Anumati is Chaturdashi Purnima. So the Chaturdashi Kalahine Anumatihi iti uktam. So Purnima is full moon. That is also called Raka. The day before Purnima, which is devoid of one Kala. So Chaturdashi, that is called Anumati. You also give an ahuti for Anumati here, because Anumati is the day when Pitratarpanam is done. Tatshesham Manike Prithivi Parjanyebhyaha Kshipet Tataha. Whatever is remaining of the Havis, you go to a Jala Adhara Sannidhi. Manika here refers to Jala Adhara Sannidhi as in Kupam. கொல்லப்பக்கம் போய் நம்ம வந்து அந்த இதில் கல்லுக்கு பக்கத்தில் வச்சுட்டு வருவோம் இல்லையா, பலி காக்காய்க்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். பட் இங்கே வந்து நியர் தட் பிளேஸ், வேர் எவர் யூ கெட் வாட்டர் நியர் த வெல், யூ கோ தேர் அண்ட் பிருத்திவி பர்ஜன்யப்யா க்ஷிபேத். யூ ஹாவ் டு த்ரோ பலி ஆர் பிளேஸ் பலி டுவர்ட்ஸ் த பிருத்திவி, டுவர்ட்ஸ் த பூமி, அண்ட் டுவர்ட்ஸ் பர்ஜன்யா, which is towards the rain or akasham, meghebhyaha. Dware, at the entrance, dhatu vidhatu are the two devatas which are responsible for the dwaram, for the entrance. And then in the middle, brahmane kshipet. Kshipet, you place it there for these two people. It is a bali. இதெல்லாம் வந்து if you go to a temple, you will find these things being done even today. But in the house, we don't follow it so much. We do a nivedanam near the god, and then take some food and put it outside for the crows, and then come and start eating. But there are so many balis that have to be done. You will find that only in temples today. You don't find this practice in the house nowadays. I don't know. द्वारे धातुः विधातुश्च मध्ये च ब्रह्मणे क्षिपेत्. At the entrance you give it for dhata and vidhata, and then in the middle it is for brahma. गृहस्य पुरुषव्याघ्र दिग्देवानपि मे शृणु. Even inside the house or the outside the house, there are digdevatas for the house also. So according to Vastu, there are different directions that are there, and each direction is presided by a particular devata. In the whole world also, right, there are digdevatas for the world. The same devatas are existing inside the house also, but the directions within the house are different. That is not according to the that may coincide with the directions outside. It may not coincide with the directions inside. It may not also. So it depends. So you have to figure out where the directions are and give the bali in that particular direction. So grihasya digdevan api shrunu. In the direction, the devatas who are responsible for the directions inside the house, I will talk about them. You listen to that also. So Indraya, Dharmarajaya, Varunaya, Tatha Indave, Prachyadishu Buddhaha Dadyat, Huta Sheshatmakam Balim. Huta Shesha Atmakam Balim. So the bali that is remaining after Hutam. Dhuta ityasti, this is sandhi karyam here, so it is actually hutam. So that which has been offered as havis in the Agnihotram, there will be something that is remaining. You take that and offer in the east, west, east, south, Indraya, south is Dharmarajaya, west is Varuna, Indave is north. Yeah. Prak uttare cha digbage, praguttare is northeast direction. Dhanvantari balam nirkanam balim. Dhanvantari balim buddha. Dhanvantari da, sorry. प्रागुत्तरे च दिग्भागे धन्वन्तरि बलिं बुधः निर्वपेत् वैश्वदेवं च कर्म कुर्याद् अतः परम्. Praguttare, in the northeastern direction, Buddha, an intelligent person, a wise person who is doing this actions, karma, he has to give Dhanvantari Bali in the northeastern direction. And after that, Vaishwadevam Nirvapet Karma Kuryat Ataf Param. So Nirvapet, he has to please Tarpanam Kuryat. Vaishwadeva Tarpanam Kuryat. Tadanantaram Karma Kuryat. He has to perform his actions. So Vayavyam, Vayave, Dikshu Samastasu Yatha, Vayavyam, Vayave, Dikshu Samastasu Yatha Disham Brahmanecha Antarikshaya Bhanavecha Kshipet Balim. Vayavyam is north. Vayavya Dikka vandu then northwest. Northwest is Vayavya. Okay. Vayavyam Dikshu Vayavyam Dadyat Balim Dadyat. So you have to give Bali for Vayu at the northwest direction. Samastasu Dikshu Yatha Disham Api Dadyat. Idella tani taniya eduthukanum. The Anvaya here can be a little difficult. So Vaishwadevam Uddishya the Balim Kuryat Samastasu Dikshu प्राच्यै दिशे दक्षिणस्यै दिशे इत्यादि बलिं क्षिपेत्. You also have to give bali for the dik itself. Until now it was for the dik devata. Samastasu dikshu yatha disham balim kshipet. You have to give bali for each and every dik here. So prachyai dishe balim dadyat, dakshinasya dishe balim dadyat, apdi for the direction itself. Then antarikshaya brahmane bhanave balim kshipet. Also have to kshipet, you have to give bali for brahmane, brahmana, antariksha and bhanu, surya. All of these people also, this you give in the middle. இது மூணுமே வந்து there is no direction for these three. For these three people you give the bali in the middle. Vishve devan vishvabhutan ashtau vishvapatin pitrin yakshanam cha samuddishya balim dadyat nareshwara. Hey nareshwara, balim dadyat, one has to give bali to all of these people. Dakshinataha bhutapatyadina. Okay. All of these people get from the southern direction. So we did not mention south at all till now. So Vishvedevana, Vishwabhutan, Ashtau, Vishwapatin. So Vishvedevaha are a set of Pitradevatas, or they are a set of Devatas. Vishwabhutaha are also a set of Devatas, or you can talk about them as all of the Bhuta Rashis that are there in the world. But it is actually a class of beings. So Vishwapati here refers to the eight rulers of the entire world. Chariya. This is the same as the Digdevatamba Silapir. Silapir Lokapalaha eva atra Vishwapatayaha ityapi vadanti. Pitrana, Pitradevatas, Yakshas, all of these, towards them you give bali in towards the southern directions. In the southern direction, it has been given by Sridhara Swami. So we will just take it like that. Tataha anyat annam adaya. See, idoda explanation la vandu the Puranas just give a small concise version of all of these things. You will find a more detailed version of this in Grihya Sutras, in Sutra literature in general. And Kula, whatever is your Sutram, the Sutram with which you belong to, Apastamba Sutram or, Ashwalayana Sutram, whatever you belong to, there will be a corpus of texts which give rules particular to that particular family lineage or those who belong to that particular Sutra. So there will be slight differences based on the Sutram that you belong to. Tataha anyat annam adaya bhumi bhage shuchau budhaha dadyat ashesha bhutebhyaha swechchaya susamahitaha. Budhaha, a wise person, shuchau bhumi bhage, in a very pure or clean pradesham, bhumi, prithvi, here for every other living being he gives annam. He places annam for all living beings in the middle portion, in a very clean position. Adha namba vandu bhutebhyaha bhutabali nuttu vella poi kaakaikku saapaadu vekkirathu. That is what he says. In a clean surface you go and place food for all of the other living beings. So swechchaya, as he wishes. There is no direction or condition here. Susamahitaha, being very in a very being shraddha yuktaha ityarthaha tatra. Deva manushya pashavo vayamsi siddhaha sayakshoraga daitya sanghaha pretah pishachaha taravaha samastaha yechannam icchanti mayatra dattam tebhyaha sukhinaha bhavantu. So this is what you have to say when you keep that bali for others. So devaha, manushyaha, men, pashavaha, animals, vayamsi, birds, siddhaha, siddha purushaha, yaksha, along with yaksha, uraga, snakes, daitya, rakshasas or the ditehe putraha, tesham sanghaha sahitaha siddhaha, pretaha, even preta rupena அவன் யாரு துந்துகாரி was moving around in preta rupa இல்லையா we read this in bhagavata mahatmyam pishachaha taravaha trees samastaha all of these people ye annam icchanti those people who want food Maya atra dattam or Maya pradattam. This is the annam that I have given for all of those classes of beings who want food. Pipilikaha, ants, Kita patangadhyaha. Kita is any insect, patanga is moth, vittil puchingrome. Adu patanga. Bubukshitaha, karma nibandha baddhaha. Karma nibandha baddhaha, those who are bound by karma here. And prayantu te triptim idam maya annam tebhyo visrishtam sukhino bhavantu. Insects and ants, moths, anything that is very hungry because they are bound by the karma they have done before. Papa karma has pushed them into this kind of a existence. And karma nibandhena baddhaha bhavanti te. तेषामपि मया अन्नं यत् दत्तं तेन अन्नेन ते अपि तृप्तिं यान्तु सो ते तृप्तिं प्रयान्तु इदं मया अन्नं तेभ्यः विसृष्टं ते तृप्तिं यान्तु let them be satisfied this is the food that I have visrishtam I have given for them sukhinah bhavantu let them be happy yesham na mata na pita na bandhu those who don't have a mother or father or relative Naiva anna siddhihi for those who are unable to get annam. Na tatha annam asti. There is a difference between these two. They do not have any food, which means they are poor. Anna siddhihi, they may have food, but it is not possible for them to make the food and have at that. But there can be so many circumstances that can come within, wherein you are unable to make food at that point of time. You may have annam you may have the grains that are there but at that point of time anniki na gas aidthuna enna pandrathu so anna siddhihi yesham nasti and of course this is also in an extreme case of where people are orphans they don't have anybody to take care of them for the triptaye tat triptaye for the satisfaction of them annam bhuvi dattam eva this annam, this food that I have placed on this floor is for them. Te api triptim yantu muditaha bhavantu. Let them also be satisfied and let them be happy. So it's a universal prayer that a Brahmana does every day with this. Okay, we'll stop with this. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottam devim saraswatim vacham tatho jayamudirayet.